The sell. This is equally as important as creating your product. You can create the best, most useful product in the world, but that doesn't do much good if you don't know how to sell it, does it? If you have an existing mailing list, tell them about your new product first. Offer them the best deal possible, a special offer that no one else will be getting. If you don't have your own list, the first thing you may want to do is start sending out joint venture offers to other businesses in your field. Offer them a nice-sized commission, at least 50%, and explain to them how they, as well as their customers, will benefit from the deal. I would send out at least one JV letter per day. If all you do is work on striking joint ventures with other marketers and business owners, you will not need any other marketing strategy to pull in amazing profits. Joint ventures are the best thing out there for us writers and marketers, especially online. There are hundreds of other strategies you can use. However, the ones listed above are some of the best and most effective ones around. You should always go for the quality traffic versus quantity. Another way to do it is using Google AdWords pay-per-click. AdWords, now named Google Ads, are little ads that show up at the top of the search results. Bing Ads is another pay-per-click service, which is also very popular. Another place to sell an information product is on the Warrior Forum, a popular internet marketing forum. Then you can go to the section of the site titled Warrior Special Offers and start out selling your information product there, if it is appropriate. This works better if your product is related to internet marketing. Also, you need to offer the product at a price better than is offered to the general public, which is why it's called the Special Offers section. Another very popular way to sell your product is through ClickBank. You have to apply to be a merchant on ClickBank, and there is a one-time setup fee. Then you can encourage affiliates to sell your product for you in exchange for a generous commission. To entice affiliates, you are going to have to offer a really large percentage of the product price, at least 50%, and preferably 70%. Here are some tips to keep your affiliates happy and to attract good affiliates. Offer good affiliate support. Offer them artwork to put on their sales page showing your product. Several different product pictures would be ideal. A picture of the ebook cover and a banner ad at the bare minimum would be helpful. There are many things you can offer an affiliate to entice them to promote, like custom content, bonus prize money for every 100 copies sold, custom bonus, extra ebook. Make sure that the terms and conditions of your affiliate offer are clear and specify what the affiliates can and can't do, no misleading ads, etc. Mindset of success. There is a lot of information on the web on how to create your own products, but not many of these sources provide a clear and concise step-by-step plan so that you can get your product out there and making money in the shortest time possible. This is all the information you need. Stop buying more ebooks on how to create digital products. The truth is, you have this information in this guide. It's time for you to take action. I am confident if you follow the steps within this course and take action, you will have your very own killer product that will bring in sales for years to come. The hardest thing I've found, and probably many other people find, when they get started with any aspect of internet marketing is all of the hard work it involves. You have probably come across the countless websites out there that promise untold riches for 5 minutes work. Don't get me wrong, this is indeed possible, but in my experience, not when you are getting started. It is indeed a reality if you have a list of 3,000 responsive buyers that you can send out an email that will make you thousands of dollars within a few days. Although to start off, you need to create that product and build that list. And unfortunately, that will require some good old-fashioned research, action, and elbow grease. Mindset is so important for your success. Why is it this ebook can get handed to 2 people? One person does nothing. The ebook gathers digital dust on their hard drive. The other uses this exact information, takes massive action, learns, improves, and gets better, and creates a 6- or 7-figure online business with digital products. They both had the same information. However, the person who has success had the right mindset. I will give you the answer to the #1 question that stops people taking action or makes them give up in my experience? I know this question comes up and can be very hard to overcome because I have asked myself the same question plenty of times when I was getting started with internet marketing. Here is the question or questions I found myself asking when I was getting started. Is this going to work? Is all this work worth it? Will my product sell? These are the three main questions that I found myself asking when I was creating my own product. Well, take it from me. The answer to all these questions is yes, it really does work. If you follow the steps within this course, you will see that creating digital products to sell does not have some secret formula. All you have to do is see things through to the end, have the ability to follow a series of steps, and probably most important, take action. Whether it takes you 5 days or 5 weeks to follow these steps, see them through to the end, and I guarantee you will achieve success online. Once you create your own product, and once that is pulling in money, you can do the same thing over and over to build a digital product empire. Conclusion: every digital product can be made better. Your first goal should be to get your product out there in a good enough standard which provides value and helps solve people's problems. After that, you should then start to make it better. Most importantly, keep testing and tracking everything you do. After you have made the basics known, start testing everything to make it better. Test your headlines to see which one pulls better. Test your offer, packaging, benefits, pricing. Test everything. Don't let anyone tell you what they think will work. Let your customers decide that for you. Measure the responses of everything you test to find out which one is working better and producing more profits. Don't ever stop improving on what you have. Each little improvement you make after testing it out can mean substantial additional profits for you. It's the easiest way I know to give yourself a raise without really doing too much extra work. Finally, make your package unique, either through the offer, the packaging, or the product itself. Make yours stand out from the rest of the pack. If you don't do that, you'll be lost among the other mediocre offers, and your customers will probably never find you. Do the above, and you'll continue to get great results. Creating information products to sell online is, I think, one of the most exciting and accessible businesses ever. You don't have to have any qualifications, experience, or expertise to start selling info products, and the startup costs can be little more than zero. This is important because it means you can try out different ways of selling and different types of info products without risking much cash. If you've got a PC and internet connection and an interest in making money online, then there's really no excuse for not trying to profit from info products. It's a fabulous business, and never before in the entire history of man has the technological and sociological era been as ripe as it is now for smart people to profit from info products with little or no startup costs. Go grab your piece of the money pie.